series is L New Zealand money supply is equal to log New Zealand money supply. Okay. So I found the logarithm for spot rate and New Zealand money supply. Now I'll find the equation LS LST constant L New Zealand money supply. And we have already got the residual here. If you've already run more regressions, then the residual, there will be more residuals, but now we have the residuals, which is what we wanted for the residual graph. So before I draw the residual graph, I'll select the first variable as log New Zealand money supply, which is along the x-axis, and the residual, which is supposed to be along the y-axis. Open group, graph, go for scatter plot, okay, so is there an indication of heteroscedasticity is the question. What do you say? Do you think that there is a heteroscedasticity problem? Yes or no? This is your assignment question. So let's do part test. What is part test? For part test, we have to find a regression model, residual square versus the independent variable. And if the slope coefficient is statistically insignificant, then there is no heteroscedasticity problem. Okay, so let's run that regression. So for which we have to find the residual square. So to find the residual square, I'll create a series, which is, I'll use R2 for residual square, which is equal to residual square. So I've created the series. Now we'll run the regression between R2 constant, and then the independent variable is log New Zealand money supply. What is your conclusion? What conclusion can you make from this? The coefficient of log New Zealand money supply has the probability value of 0.0369. Less than 5%, reject the null hypothesis. What is the null hypothesis? Homoscedasticity is the null hypothesis. So the homoscedastic null hypothesis is rejected, therefore the data are heteroscedastic. You don't have to do this, but you can be sure of what you write as your comment, because it is statistically tested now. Okay? Somehow I thought I have to know, I don't know why, your group numbers, right? What is your group number? the group number? Your group number. Hold on. Your group number. You don't know. What? 15. Your group number?
8.
Your group? I am appreciating for your patience. There are a lot of people not here, but you are patiently listening to whether it is because of the interest in your subject or whatever it is. Your group? 8. Your group? Any other group that is here? Yeah.
No, I will upload it.
Sometimes my memory is not that good.
Why?
10, 8, 15, 18,
What's your group number?
11,
5.
5. The group is 5.
No. Different group.
And there's some other group. 15, 8,
Maybe he want to
18, 20, and 5. These are the groups present here. 11. What's your group? 14. Is there 18 here? 18? 15? Oh, okay, one more test, which is white test. Okay, white test. How would we do white test? We went to residual diagnostics. So for white test, we need this regression to be done. Okay, so from here we go to residual diagnosis.
Our opinion we rejected it's not, but I think I did wrong.
White test?
I'll accept.
Okay.
Should be. He clarified later.
If you see n r squared value, the p value is 0.00. That means again. Yeah, correct. Strongly reject the homoscedastic assumption. So the p value is 0.00. Definitely you will be rejecting the null hypothesis which says homoscedastic, therefore the modulus heteroscedastic. So we have taken two data. One is the case study 2 data. We showed that it is homoscedastic. We thought it is homoscedastic with looking at the graph, and then we tested that using hot test and white test. And then after that we have gone to the spot rate data. From the graph, we thought that there should be heteroscedasticity problem, and we have proved that both using hot test and white test. Okay, so what we have not done is that Goldfeld test, which has got some steps. It's not very hard. We have to divide that into 3 parts. That may take some time, but you can do it. So still there is a topic left in this heteroscedasticity, which is the weighted least squares. We are going to see further on weighted least squares next week. Okay. Anyone has got questions to ask before you leave?
No question.
Okay, I heard that whether you resubmit 3 times or 4 times, I wouldn't know it.
Yeah.
Right? In that case,